Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about inheritance access modes in C++ programming. There are three types of access modes used in inheritance: public, protected and private. So first we're going to talk about the public access mode. So whenever we use the public access mode in the inheritance, then the public member of the base class will be public and the protected member of the base class will be protected in the derived class. Like in example, here we have one parent class A and then we are inheriting the property of the parent class into the child class B. So we have written class B public A. So we are using the public access mode to inherit the property from the parent class. So whenever we use the public access mode, the public member of the parent class will be public in the child class and the protected member of the parent class will be protected in the child class. And now we're going to talk about the protected access mode. Whenever we use the protected access mode, the public member and the protected member of base class will become protected in the derived class. Like an example, here we have the parent class A and we are inheriting the property of the parent class in the child class B through the use of protected access mode. So we have written class B protected A. So whenever we use the protected access mode, then the public members of the parent class will become protected and also the protected member of the parent class will also become protected in the child class. And now we're going to talk about the private access mode. So in the private access mode, both the public and the protected member of the base class will become private in the derived class. Like in example, here we have one parent class A and we are inheriting property of the parent class in the child class B through the use of private access mode. So whenever we use the private access mode, then the public member of the parent class will become private and also the protected member of parent class will become private in the child class. So these are the type of access modes available in C++ inheritance. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.